Have you ever wondered what the Sun looks like up close? Launched in 2020, Solar Orbiter is a joint mission by ESA and NASA designed to get closer to the Sun than almost any spacecraft before it. Its mission? To study how the Sun creates and controls the massive bubble of energy we live in, called the heliosphere. As it swoops inside the orbit of Mercury, Solar Orbiter takes high-resolution images of the Sun's surface and measures the solar wind as it streams into space. Its instruments allow scientists to not only see the surface, but also feel the effects of the Sun's particles and fields in real time. What makes this spacecraft truly unique is its eventual ability to see the Sun's poles, a region we've never directly observed before. This could help solve mysteries about the 11-year solar cycle, magnetic reversals, and why the corona, the Sun's outer atmosphere, is so incredibly hot. Solar Orbiter doesn't fly solo either. It works alongside the Parker Solar Probe, giving us two different perspectives on the same solar events. While Parker dives deep into the corona, Solar Orbiter stays a bit farther out, providing the big picture. Together, these two missions are helping us uncover the secrets of our nearest star, and how its storms affect Earth, satellites, and even astronauts. True or false? Solar Orbiter is a mission led entirely by NASA. False. It is a joint mission between the European Space Agency, ESA, and NASA. What makes Solar Orbiter different from most other solar missions? It observes the Sun's poles directly. Fill in the blank. The blank is the bubble of solar wind that surrounds the solar system. Heliosphere. Fill in the blank. Solar Orbiter launched in the year blank. In the year 2020. What region of space does Solar Orbiter help us study? The heliosphere. If Solar Orbiter travels 0.5 astronomical units from the Sun at an average speed of 80,000 kilometers per hour, how long would it take to reach that distance? To calculate the time to reach 0.5 astronomical units from the Sun, divide 74.8 million kilometers by a speed of 80,000 kilometers per hour. The result is 935 hours, nearly 39 days of non-stop travel toward the Sun. True or false? Solar orbiter will eventually photograph the sun's north and south poles. True. Fill in the blank. The spacecraft works with blank solar probe to provide a dual perspective of solar activity. Parker Solar Probe. Which spacecraft works with solar orbiter to study the sun? Parker Solar Probe. Fill in the blank. Solar orbiter's heat shield protects it from temperatures over blank degrees Celsius. Over 500 degrees Celsius. True or false? Solar orbiter directly lands on the sun's surface to collect samples. False. No spacecraft can land on the sun. Solar orbiter orbits it at a safe distance and gathers remote and in situ data. If the solar wind travels at 500 kilometers per second for 10 hours, how far does it travel? To find how far the solar wind travels in 10 hours, multiply 500 kilometers per second by 36,000 seconds. The answer is 18 million kilometers, enough to reach halfway to Mercury. What kind of energy does solar orbiter primarily investigate? Electromagnetic radiation and plasma. Fill in the blank. To observe the sun's poles, solar orbiter uses blank assists to tilt its orbit. Gravity assists to tilt its orbit. If solar orbiter covers 150 million kilometers in 90 days, what is its average speed in kilometers per hour? To find the spacecraft's average speed, divide 150 million kilometers by 2,160 hours. That gives about 69,444 kilometers per hour. A remarkable speed for chasing the sun. How did you do? Tell us in the comments below. And thanks for watching BrainyKidz. We hope you had fun today. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a quiz. See you next time, brainy friends.